Have you ever seen this fiery red flower? This is crocosmia, also known as Montbrethia. These bright orange red flowers grow along elegant arching stems, creating a spectacular display in summer. This is relatively easy plant to grow and enjoys sun or partial shade and well-drained soil. And once established, it's quite hardy and can tolerate some dry periods. But there is something you should know. Crocosmia spreads through underground corms, and in some regions, it can become invasive, escaping gardens and spreading into natural areas. So, while it's a stunning addition to your garden, it's a good idea to keep an eye on its growth and prevent it from spreading where it shouldn't. It's beautiful, vibrant, and a little bit wild. That's crocosmia. Have you ever had a plant take over your garden? Tell me about it in the comments.